I-romance was-satanism. I-romance is so evil. Romance is devil worshipping. I-romance ngenye yesila enikelwe abantu ukuthi ibalawule ukuze i-colonialism namhlanje ibe khona kube yinto that is existing. Lotshani. Nangithi romance ngikhuluma ngale wena oyaziko. Ngikhuluma ngokuthi batsho umuntu athena uba romantic nakufanele uthathanda umuntu. Into yokuthoma engifuna ukuyiveza ukuthi akunamuntu ongakufundisa ithando ngombana ithando is cosmic law. Ithando is cosmic energy. Ithando yinto obelethwa nayo. There's no way ukuthi omunye umuntu angakufundisa ukuthi nakufanele ukuthi uthande, kufanele ukuthi uwenzeni ngombana ukuthanda kungendlela wena oziveza ngayo ukuthi uyaphila ephasini. Bese nasikhuluma ngecolonialism, abantu baqabanga ukuthi icolonialism kuthathela umuntu iplus kuphela. Amakhuwa nakazosicolonizer zangathatha iplus kwaphela. Icolonialism ikutshela nokuthi ulale njani ebusuku, udle njani, udle ini, abantwana bekhenu baphathe njani, begodu na ufuna ukujola nalokho na ufuna ukulalana ulalane njani. Ilawula ngitsho nemthoga oyidlako uthweni uyazilapha. Yicolonialism leyo. Isondo, isikolo, ma-institution akhona ku-community make sure ukuthi i-colonialism iyahlala iyanzinza ayiphume ebantwini. So esikolweni ngeze bakufundisa nge-colonialism ukuthi ukhona ukuyibona, ukhona ukuyibaleka. Esondweni ngeke bakufundise nge-colonialism ukuthi ukhona ukuyi-escape because lawo ma-institution we-colonialism enza isiqiniseko sokuthi abantu bayaragela phambili baba ma-slaves. We become enslaved nge-system yamakhuwa. Ukuze amakhuwa alawule impilo zabantu ukuthi abantu bajole njani, abantu balalane njani, ukuthi abantu baphathane njani ngekhaya, they had ukuthi ba break i-family structure ye-Africa. I-family structure le oyibona namhlanje yakama nobaba nabantwana obathola ngendlini akusi African family structure, yi-structure esize namakhuwa begodu basinzinzisile basinikela sona ukuthi saqabanga ukuthi impilo nakade kade iso beyingasiso ukuze bayi-break baberegisa izinto ezifana nabo romance nokhunye nje okuza neBhayibheli. Ngizokuchazela namhlanje sinofana ngizoyihlathulula indaba yokuthi i-romance why ngithi i-evil inobusatanism. It's like devil worshipping. Ngenye yezinto eziyi-driving force ukuthi abantu baragele phambili babe colonized and babe enslaved. Okhunye kuza neBhayibheli ngilokho vanobuzwe ekuthiwa indoda yihloko yomuzi. Ayikho into enjalo esintwini. BuKristu lobo. YiBhayibheli ayikho umthetho ukuthi basho indoda ihloko yomuzi ufanele ukuthi wonke umuntu ezwe ngendoda ukuthi ekhaya kwenziwani into iphethwa njani. That is religion. Leyo ke ngeminye imithetho efaila eintroduce yiBhayibheli ubuKristu ukuthi into lezi zibe ma driving force ukubulala iAfrican family structure. Ngesintu ayikho into ukuthi basho indoda iba ihloko yomuzi. Ngesintu kunendima ezidlala babantu ezahlukahlukeneko. Ubaba kunendima ayidlalako and uyidlala ngokupheleleko noma ngokunjalo ubamkhulu ugogwe ekhaya wonke umuntu ngitsho nanoma ulizibulo nofana uyilast born kunendima oyidlalako. Ayikho into yokuthi basho bonke abantu abayi56 bezwa ngomuntu oyi1 wekhaya. Into leyo ingenile ngaphakathi kwesintu yaqaphazela isintu abantu namhlanje baqabanga ukuthi sisintu ukuthi basho kumdekuziwe ngobaba ukuthi kuthiwani kwenziwa ini namhlanje. Ubaba kalazi iqude angakutshelani ukuthi umntwana omthombiseni. So na uthona washuzwa ngobaba uyokutshela ini. So izinto ezifana lezo ngizo ezikhombisa ukuthi umuntu nomuntu ngesintu kunendima ayidlalako and indima yakhe leyo angekho omunye umuntu amdlalele yona. Therefore into yokuthi basho indoda iba ihloko yomuzi akusisisintu, yi-religion. BuKristu zinsile ezifela zamakhuwa. Asiragele phambili. I-African family structure ithi ekhaya kuba nogogo ubamkhulu abobaba abomma namokhari nabantwana abona baqalanako babizana ngomnakwethu, mfowethu, mntamama, mzala. I-African family structure ke leyo. Sibona njani ukuthi khona? What if ngikutshela mala qala-ke nasiphetha isintu zokuthola amasiko philo esiwaphethako akukhombisa ukuthi into le ye-family structure ye-Africa injani. Asithathe isibonelo ingoma yokukhulisa umntwana, ingoma yequde nofana ingoma yokwela. Banengi abantu abadlala indima ngaphasi kwengoma yequde. Umma akazithombisela umntwanakhe. Kunabantu ngokwahlukahlukana kwakhona ngitsho nomna kwabo imbalo odlala indima eqhakathekileko engekhe esamreplace ngomunye umuntu. Okukhombisa ukuthi empilweni yomuntu kunabantu abanengi abangenako lapho abamkhulisako, abamnakelelako. Kungakho kunekhulumo ethi it takes a village to raise a child. It is because ngokwe-Afrika umntwana akakhuliswa ngumma nobaba kwaphela. Kuhle the reason why sinembelesi it's because ngekwe-Afrika kukholelwa ekutheni nofana sazi ukuthi umuntu akhonakala ukuthi angabeletha umntwana bese akhona ukumkhulisa. Awukwazi ukukhulisa umntwana wena. It's your first time being a mother. It's your first time being a father. Therefore kunabantu abazokulekelela ekutheni umntwana loyo umkhulise. Kungakho umntwana loyo kungekho kube ngewakho njengoba namhlanje umuntu athi umntwanami. Kodwa nomntwana loyo kuba umntwana abogogo, abobamkhulu, abobaba nabanye abomma, ngitsho abodade abakhulu nabomna kwabo. Umntwana loyo ubelonga to everyone in the community. Ngiyo ke African family structure. Amakhuwa wayibulala because of ba realize ukuthi nasi community we become stronger and abakhona ukuthi bakolonize umntwana sasemnqanqane ngombana kunabantu abanengi abangaphasi kwempilo yomntwana loyo abamfundisa izinto zempilo. Therefore ukuthi bakhona ukumlawula they had ukuthi bamkhipha umntwana loyo ngaphasi kwesintu bambeke abe1 bazokhona ukumlawula bamfundise insila. So ithando in an African perspective akusilithando lele silibona namhlanje lele lenza ukuthi indoda ibethu umfazi enzeni umntwana abaleke into ezifana lezo. Imiraro enjalo eAfrika besinganayo. Imiraro ye-rape, imiraro ye-GBV besinganayo. Why? Because ngendlela ekade sithanda nangayo. Ithando nasele silihlathulula akusingendlela ekade esihlathulula ngayo namhlanje esilireduce to something called i-romance le ekutshela ukuthi indoda yakho ngabe ufuna ubona ukuthi yakuthanda fanele ukuthi kulethele ukudla ngengutsheni ithi i-breakfast in bed. Ithando lethu beli so whole and deep and belikhona ukuli-extenda from one form to another. Kufana ukuthi into na uyithanda uyayinakelela uyayivikela. Kungendlela ekade sizi-expressa ngayo nasibona imvelo nasisebenzisa imithi, inhlahla, amanzi, ihlabathi ukuze sikhombise ukuthi siyathandana phakathi kwethu nenye imvelo. Indaba yethando i-extenda nokuthi eAfrika bengekho umfazi kuthiwe batsho umfazi akanamntwana kuthiwe batsho umfazi uba yinyumba. Why? Because now ungumma automatically you become a mother. Banenga abantwana ozobakhulisa ongakababelethi abangakavundle embeleke nakho. Why? Because of isigaba sakho sokuthi ube ngumma sokuthi wende sivumela ekutheni ube ne-responsibility yokukhulisa abantwana because abantwana bebavele bakhona la ekhaya. Now ubane wakho nakhona siyakuthokozisa kodwa ukuthi ubelethile ukuthi awakabelethi bekungatsho ukuthi wena awusungumma ngokupheleleko. Ithando lesintu belinjalo. Ithando lesintu beyilekelela umma onganamntwana ekutheni njengombana unganamntwana unganambeleko ukhona omunye umfazi ozokuthanda enough ukuthi abe ngumngenandlu. Nakaba ngumngenandlu ukulokha nakalala nobaba kwakho bese abelethe umntwana nofana abelethe abantwana. Abanye abantwana bayokhuliswa nguwe wena siqu sakhe. Actually bengabonakala ukuthi umntwana umamakhe ngubani ngesintu because bekuba nabomma abadlala indima yakama emntwaneni oyi1 ubathole bayi5 and 7. Therefore you cannot tell ukuthi umuntu nomntwana nofana umuntu akanamntwana. Lithando in an African perspective. So ubundandani bebungekho eAfrika. Ubunyumba bebungekho eAfrika. Izinto ezifana nokudlengulwa, gender based violence bebungekho eAfrika. Why? Because kungendlela ekade thina ithando silikhombisa ngakhona sili-expressa ngakhona. Namhlanje solo kwafika i-romance we have such problems. Now isintu siyakhuluma, isintu sithi umuntu akadli alele, umuntu akadleli ngengutsheni, umuntu akathi endlini le alala ngakiyo abuye adlele ngakiyo. Actually ngekhaya abantu nabathetheneko bayi-couple bebangalali embhedeni oyi1 mihla namalanga obusuku nobusuku. Yinto introduce yi-romance. Umuntu nomuntu bekaba nelawu lakhe lokulala bese bahlangane mhlokho nabafuna ukwenza nabafuna ukwenza umntwana nofana nabafuna ukwenza i-sexual energy which can be used to build ezinye izinto. Now namhlanje sithola ukuthi abantu balala embhedeni one every day, which is into ye-romance. So umfazi sekasetshenziswa njengento eyi-sexual object. Umfazi akasana ndawo la akhona ukuphumula khona lokha mhlambe nakasemalangeni nofana lokha nakufanele ukuthi azibuyekeze yena. Same applies to men. Akusana sexual discipline ngaphasi kwesintu. Why? Because of umuntu nomuntu akana privacy. Umuntu nomuntu akana sanctuary. Ikamuru lokulala bekuyi-sanctuary ngesintu. Bekuyindawo la ehlanzekileko okhona ukuphumula kiyo ngokomoya na physically, whereby you can lay, you can rest, uzibuyekeze, ukhona ukuzithola. But today into enjalo ayikhona ukwenzeka. Why? Because i-bedroom sekuyi-bedroom yabantu ababili abalala every day because of abalala every day endaweni eyi-one embhedeni oyi-one because of i-romance. So zinengi izinto engingaziveza ze-romance esithi thina zi-romantic eziphikisa isintu and ezilimaza umuntu, not just isintu kwaphela but umuntu as a person spiritually awusakhona ukuzithola because there are things in place ezikudisruptako nofana ezikudisturbako. As a man, you can't take care of yourself sexually and spiritually. Why? Because of izinto ezikhona abaziplaceileko that are in hand ozibonako nawo ebakutshela ukuthi kose ukuthi uziperforme nofana umfazi akho mfa ukuthi azenze kuwo ukuthi akukhombise ukuthi uyakuthanda. So i-romance ayilawuli ukuthi ujole njani, ibuye ikutshele ukuthi ulalane njani. Ikutshela ukuthi there's a right way of having sex, there's a bad way of having sex. I-romance, which is bullshit. Excuse me for the language. Namhlanje sisitshelwa ukuthi kunendlela elungileko of having sex, and sex was never supposed to be something abantu abathi basho kunendlela right yokuyenza, kunentayela ezithizeni zokuthi into le ukhona ukuyenza ukuthi the next person olala naye akhona ukuba impressed now. Sex was supposed to be something that is like a spiritual evaluation, whereby uzithola khona ngokomoya through sex in someone else's soul. Ku-spirit somunye umuntu uyazifuna, uyazi-evaluate, uyazithola. Sex was supposed to be of healing, of creating legacies, not into lena esibonako namhlanje abantu aba-actor ipon bese baqabanga ukuthi they are having sex. Abantu actually indlela le esele sikhohliswe ngayo satshela ukuthi nangabe you are not doing women on top or whatever the style abas-introduce the latest styles, therefore the next person is going to judge you, the next person yoivela disregard as this was not good enough. It's no longer something that is sacred, sex. It's no longer something that is very into ebuthekileko, into okhona ukuzithola ngayo, into that is very spiritual. Sex is no longer spiritual. Why? Because of i-romance ngendlela iyonakale ngayo. We are being told there's a good and a bad way of having sex, and sex was never supposed to be something like that. No one should coach you how to have sex. Sex is something like self-discovery. You are supposed to discover yourself through sex. Uzithole ukuthi ungubani, your animal self. When we discuss into about cosmic sex shifting, it actually teaches you ukuthi through sex you can actually discover what and who you are in the realm of spirituality. But you can't achieve that. Why? Because i-romance isitshela ukuthi kunendlela right yokwenza i-sex. So basically, in assistance with pornography, people are not having sex. People are acting. People are displaying into ebayibukele emfonini zabo nofana en-TV zabo ebatshela ukuthi nawenze so, nawumbambe so, uba yindoda. Vele angeke afune next ngawo. Same applies to women. Namhlanje i-romance has convinced us ukuthi we are incapable of ukuthanda umuntu. Let's say mhlambe bathi ekosini bazokubawa ukuthi yoba ngumalukazana wakhona. Akekho abafazi abanengi would decline that request. Not because of akunamali ngekosini or whatever, simply because i-romance isifundisa ukuthi basho umuntu kose ukuthi umfunde, umuntu kose umazi, umuntu kose niye kuma-dates and learn more about a person. You must wait 90 days. It shows ukuthi you are being romantic if you wait for me for 90 days before we engage ku-sexy. If you buy me flowers, if you buy me chocolates, and then it means ukuthi romantic, and then I can decide whether or not I want to be your wife. But it's simply ukuthi i-romance ithethe ithando yalireducer to something that is not even it. ngendlela thina esithandana ngayo akuseselithando in its natural form, because thina nasifanele ukuthi sikhethe amadoda nofana abafazi sithatha into ye-romance sisebenzisa yona, sisebenzisa i-criteria le ye-romance to dictate ukuthi bobani abantu abakulungele ukuthi babe ama-partners wethu for life. So now you think wena ukuthi mhlolo ukuthi angekhe wenda ekosini mhlambe nekosana ongayazi ukuthoma nokuyibona simply because, oh my goodness, angimazi, we must get to know each other, hey kumele kube nama-talking stages. All these things that they've introduced, they're not even working. Like, ever since unyaka lo wathoma, from Goshenawara until today, how many talking stages have you been? How many ex-boyfriends do you have now? If romance did work, bekumele ngaba awuna ex-boyfriend, because woke umuntu nakafollowa i-romance bekumele ngabe sekachadile. But you've done everything right romantically. You were romantic, but still you're not even married today. So yes, ngesintu ukuze ukuthi umuntu umthande, ithando belisebenze kutheni umuntu bohlangana naye namhlanje, umtchade namhlanje without izinto zabo talking stage nomjolo and all these unnecessary things ezi-introduce i-romance. Why do you ukhona njani ukuthi umuntu loyo umthande? Simply because you love yourself. Simply because you love nature. Simply because you understand ukuthi you are part of nature. And ithanda kusinto umuntu angakufundisa yona. Umuntu awufundi ukumthanda. If you love yourself, it means you can express the same thing to the next person. So that's why now nanomuwendela ekosini, you don't have to be taught ukuthi iqude ulivikele, ingoma uyivikele, ihlala kuhle labantu kube yi-concern yakho. You love yourself so much that you can extend that love to the next person, to the next thing or object. So it's not something obowufundiswa yona. You know boyifika uyenze ngokufaneleko. You just do it because it's naturally you. You know yemvelo ithando. You can extend it anyhow that you oyifuna ngayo. But today we are failing ukuthanda abanye abantu. Today we come here on social media, bully each other, simply because we cannot define love without ukusebenzisa i-romance. The only time you think when you can be in love, it's when ujola. Abantu bacabanga ukuthi they can be in love when basemjolweni, and nabangasemjolweni abakhona ukuthanda abangani babo, abakhona ukuthanda abantu bemphakathini, abakhona ukuthanda ubukhosi, abakhona ukuthanda undaba ezitha, simply because na umthandako sekuba akusabi kuhle. Hey, into yethando yinto eyenzeka ngaphakathi kwamjolo loyo is not something eyenzeka ngendlela efanele, endlela mhlambe ngithi mina i-right nofana ifanelekile. So as Black people, we have to come back. There are a lot of things that we need to speak about. There are a lot of uncomfortable conversations that we must have. How do we love each other in an African perspective? I-family structure ye-Africa ithini? Ithando nge-Africa bebathanda nanjani abantu? Before white people came, besithanda nanjani? Before amakhuwa afika, besitshada njani? Because into ye-white wedding into yamakhuwa. Into yokufaka i-ring la, yinto yamakhuwa. Into yokujama duze nomfundisi usho ama-vows, yinto yamakhuwa. Thina nasifuna uku-extenda ukuthi siyathandana, besithanda nanjani? Besitshada njani? Besithatha nanjani? Besiwakha njani umndeni? I-religion ingakafiki, i-romance ingakafiki. We have to go back and ask ourselves ukuthi into le besi-executa njani? Oh my goodness, isikhuwa. Like besikhona njani ukuthi ekutheni mina to be myself, you know, in its fullest capacity, bengiyenza njani into leyo? Because no one can teach me how to be me. No one can teach me how to love. No one can teach me respect. Respect and being submissive to the next person is supposed to come naturally. Why? Because nabo there's also an energy abayisubmithako kimi. There's no submission without submission. Submission happens because there's also something that is being submitted to me. It's not something ekumele ukuthi ngiqabange and then bese ngithi ngizoyenza so. It's something that is supposed to come naturally. But today into ye-submission nayo ilinyaziwe kwathiwa kugandelela umfazi, indoda nayifuna ukugandelela izokutshela nge-submission. And also our men do not understand what it means to have a submissive partner and also what it means to be a submissive husband. Because submission, iyenzeka in both parties. It's not something that is being done to the next person bese omunye uyamkela kuphela. It happens in both parties. So we have to ask ourselves ukuthi, how do we love each other as a man and a woman in an African perspective before amakhuwa afika besithanda kanjani ngoba into yethanda kusinto ye race yinto yintini. It's human. Akusindo yobuhlanga, akusindo yekoro. It's a human experience. So, nginto kade ngifuna ukuyidlulisa leyo ukuthi romance can be evil, and I wish bengifaka ama examples amanengi unikhombisa ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani, but I had to extend it to other subtopics ukuthi ngikhona ukusekela ikulumo yami. Into efana nabo Valentine's Day. Into leyo zinsila zamakhuwa, ma rituals wobukhohlakali are evil. When you must read political literature, historical literature, and find out ukuthi into ezisukaphi. Izinto ezifana nabo Valentine's Day ekuthiwa bathi romantic now participate kizo buloyi buthakathi obunye obunzima obufaila obusebenzisa insila to continue to break us apart. It's not even something it's not a good thing. Romance ne Valentine's Day, it's not a good thing. It's not something abayipresenta ngokuthi basho yihle ngendlela abayibeke ngakhona eyama red roses ama chocolate nani. Go and read books and you will understand ukuthi you've been participating ngaphasi kwamasiko afaila that continue to enslave you akwenza ukuthi ube spiritually hindered. Ngiyathokoza.